Hey everybody, it's Coach Jeff here doing another video today, and it's actually my second video today, and I'm not even counting it as my 100-day video challenge. Just kind of grinding out, working on my business. Everybody knows I'm the CEO of Info, internet marketing training site dedicated to making money online for people who are interested in doing that, and big proponent of Conversion Pros, which is a fantastic tool that can help facilitate your business as well as bring in a residual income. You can do it as your only home business or in combination with your existing business. So today I want to do a video that isn't as much about strictly about Conversion Pros, but it's about a huge thing in the industry that's been going on for some time, and that's cryptocurrency. So anybody who's been online or is on Facebook or any online business, you obviously have heard of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, there's some others, and how Bitcoin price is rising. It's kind of it's not new. It's still fairly new to the masses, but for anybody who's kind of does any business online, it's been around for a little bit, and people keep watching how the price just rises and rises. So anyway, my point of the video is not to debate what program to make money in as far as Bitcoin or just Bitcoin. Me personally, I haven't investigated enough of those programs to know which one is the best one. Bottom line is, if you invest in Bitcoin, you are making money. The price continues to go up. And even people like Bill Gates says it's going to go up for a very, very long time. So if you get in now, then you have the opportunity to make a lot of money. So obviously with Bitcoin, there's all kinds of programs to bring teams aboard, recruit members, to get portions of Bitcoin. And obviously some of these programs are pretty good. If you bring in members, you get free Bitcoin. So there's one or two things. You can just buy Bitcoin straight up and just sit on it, or you can increase your income by recruiting a team under you. Most people do both. Some people just buy Bitcoin and sit on it, but that's kind of the flavor. And it's been going on for some time. It doesn't look like it's going to stop. So this kind of ties it into Conversion Pros, because obviously there's a need to build teams and recruit. So what better tool than to use Conversion Pros? So David Doves and the owners haven't really done too much with the cryptocurrency field until recently. So I kind of want to show you what they've been kind of doing and why, if you're involved in Bitcoin, should you be jumping on board Conversion Pros, because they've just added a bunch of new tools. So to help you build your cryptocurrency teams. And this is just something that enhances your business, and that's what the Conversion Pros does. It's not just about, a landing page or the residual income. It's a combination of all those factors. So let me kind of minimize you here, and I wanted to scroll down because I actually made a post about this a couple days ago, and just now getting around to video. So here's my post. Cryptocurrency is exploding. Want access to these landing pages to build your team. So here we go. This is what Conversion Pros has available to you now. Again, these are fantastic landing pages. Let me kind of get my big old face in there. Remember, with Conversion Pros, we use a thing called share code. So when you're building a landing page, one of the the great attributes of these landing pages is you can take a little share codes, a little snippet, 6-7 letters of share codes that either people have made, other members, as well as Conversion Pro professionals, and take that code, stick it into the landing page, and it kind of becomes your landing page, and then you can make slight adjustments to where you see fit. So we've had landing pages for any other industry that you're trying to build a business in, making money online, biz opportunities, weight loss, all those types of things. But we hadn't touched Bitcoin or cryptocurrency until now. So they've just done this. So here's just some of the pictures, some of the images from the new Bitcoin landing pages. Of course, the beauty of it is you can change everything. You can change the title and all this. And that's the beauty of Conversion Pros, is you can just take this, put in a share code, and make your own adjustments as to what else. Maybe you want to add another image, all those types of things. So these are just some of the images that they have added to the back office Conversion Pros under to create your own landing page. So you can take it. I kind of like this one. I think this is really cool. I just love the imagery. So this is all brand new as far as in the Conversion Pros, and that's really what the value of the business is they just continue to add things. So, you know, when they first started and they're charging $50 a month after your 7-day free trial, you're getting the landing pages, you're getting your own autoresponder if you don't want to use the other big boys in the industry. You're not getting charged based on number of broadcast messages. You could have a list of 10 or a list of 100,000, and it's still going to be $50 per month at the 7-day trial. And once you bring in a couple people into the business opportunity, it's free. I mean, your cost is covered. And look at everything that you get here. So this is another good one. So these are just some of the images of the Bitcoin landing pages that are now part of a Conversion Pro. So this is a huge market right now. This is kind of one of those opportunities that people are just jumping on board. They're reading, they're learning, they're investing. So obviously Conversion Pros always stays on top of what's happening in the market, and so they've created these all these landing pages. So, and that's not even what's all about what they've created here. So I want to kind of minimize this. And I want to go to Conversion Pros. And if anybody's seen this, is the main page of Conversion Pros. And let me scroll down here real quick just to kind of see. These are some of the things that you get with Conversion Pros. And I've done a video on all this before. So all your testimonials, you get some bonuses. Just amazing. I mean, it's just hands down the best. Anyway, so let me go in here. And so now inside here, there's now a support form. I'm going to do another video on the support form, but I want to go in there because I want to show you everything that is in here as far as the crypto stuff. And now I got to find it. Okay, and so here is all the crypto landing pages. And see, these are the share codes right here. Okay, so it's like 2, 4, 8 letters, numbers, a variety of numbers. You plug that into your landing page, then you can start with this. You can keep it, you can adjust it, you can change the text, all these types of things. There's all kinds of share codes in the back office for any home business opportunity that you're interested in. But this video specifically is on the explosion of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Yeah, I mean, maybe you're in one of the others, Ethereum or whatever it's called. So then you say, did you miss, you know? So these are the same pages that are now available to you. And look at this. This is its own video in itself. But these are landing. This is a webinar landing page. Okay. And again, you know how these people have webinars. Well, they're not always live. You know that, right? You can sign up to be on a webinar, and at a certain time, it's going to replay the video from that webinar, and the live people will be on it. You can join it. But now you have a landing page with the Bitcoin. It's just amazing. I mean, just amazing. So here it is. And of course, you can change it. It's got its own video in there. You can change the background. This is all stuff that you can do. I'm just, you know, it's just, for me, it's mind-boggling, to be perfectly honest. I just think that it offers so much value that you just can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong. So these are all the types of add-ons that you're able to get inside the Conversion Pros that ties in to Bitcoin. So it's a huge market. It's the purpose of my video is not to, you know, to convince you to get inside Bitcoin, or the cryptocurrency arena. However, there are tons and tons of people, And that shouldn't scare you if you want to get inside that industry, because there is all kinds of ways to make money in the cryptocurrency arena. But how about have these tools which set you above everybody else? Now, I could go to Facebook and find, and I probably got a couple minutes there. I can go back to Facebook, and I can go into one of these groups, and I'm gonna find Bitcoin. Okay, so there's just gonna be ads that's almost nauseum here. So probably my luck, I won't find one, but lots of it. Here's one. Okay, all kinds of it. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. So this particular ad isn't bad. Okay, isn't bad. Again, little advice: never put info. Get your link in here somewhere, so you don't have to respond. But again, so there's Bitcoin everywhere. Okay, it's here. It's gonna be here. So if you're interested, here's Bitcoin wallet. Here's another one. So there's all kinds of them. So my role here in this video is not to tell you which one you're supposed to be involved in. You obviously have to do your own due diligence. But what I'm saying is, if you're in Bitcoin right now and you are struggling to recruit a team, or you are thinking about jumping on board onto a Bitcoin platform, then you have to have the Conversion Pros, because we adjust to the times and to what is the market trend. And the market trend for a major opportunity is Bitcoin. So you get landing pages, you can set up your own webinar, and that's something I haven't touched on in any of my videos, is webinars. And I'm going to do one myself. Is you can create your own webinar, and the webinar can be live. You can send it to your list or Facebook and get people on there, and set something up for your business, whether it's Conversion Pros or something else. And then you can set up times where people can join. You can have a webinar replay at 3 a.m. and have people sign up, watch the replay, and you can get sales, conversions, leads, all that type of stuff when you're asleep in the middle of the night. It just blows my mind, the amount of value that you get. And just briefly, I was talking to somebody earlier who I wasn't necessarily getting quite the mentoring that I was supposed to get. And I'm saying to myself, mentoring? Okay. First of all, as a leader, it's not my job to chase you down. Okay. If you have questions, you come ask me. Members on my team are thrilled to be on my team. I answer their questions all the time. I've got my phone right near me all the time. You can reach me by phone, send me a text message. If you want to talk on the phone, emails, I can always be reached. Okay. But you have to take that step and get out of that mentality. And of course, if you follow my videos, 7-day trial, it's not about 7 days. It's about you being a customer for 3 months, 6 months, a year, 5 years, while you're building your brand, while you're building your business, because it's a tremendous value. Okay? So, in closure, cryptocurrency is absolutely exploding online right now. And Conversion Pros has created some major tools for you to be able to recruit, get leads, sales, and conversions for any person that wants to join you and your team on Bitcoin. So this is the program to do it. Don't be afraid to get on board. Please follow me on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is one of these directions. I'd be happy to help you at any time. You can reach me, phone number if you got questions. Give me some comments if you like some of the value that I'm providing. And that's pretty much it. So remember, the theme of the day is I'm doing a 100-day video challenge, and I've already done my video for the day, and this is my second video of the day, because it is taking consistent action to your business. And if you do that consistent action, you will get the results. Okay? So I'm here to help you. Reach out to me, and we'll see you on the flip side.